Take a ride in the 2011 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find rear view camera, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2 rear view monitor. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.